Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Pat Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacino. Tesla today, end of week wrap up. We're starting on the hourly chart to do an end of week wrap up. So this is a key significant, minor significant level is 187, really 187 to 187.25 area. We're watching. I was talking about gap down to a prior key low. Sold off a little, then rallied back up, found some resistance there. So we were watching to see if it would roll over. Did not roll over. Went up to the top of the rotation zone on the hourly chart. So the main, just so we've been asked this question before, the main charts we watch the rotation zone are weekly, daily, 4 hour, and then for shorter term stuff, the 1 hour. So 4 hour, 1 hour, daily, weekly. Those are the key areas we watch. Went up to there, and I'll show you. We'll go to the 4 hour too. We'll see where that happened because they combine really nicely, the rotation zones. Rotating down, finding a little support right at that significant level, and then dropping down, closing just above the open, holding just above this prior key low. So let's go to a 4 hour. And here you go. You can see here running up to that rotation zone right there. Just a reminder, we use the 8 EMA exponential moving average. That's this orange line. Provides really good areas of resistance. So I use it, and you can see how couldn't get through it. Now for next week, key area, if we do get back above this 187 area, next key area we'll be watching. This is getting some major significance right now. You can see the key candle bodies all across here. Some key highs and lows right about 189. We'll just call it 190. I was going to say 189.90, but we'll call it 190. That's going to be a very key level on any rally to watch. Again, the significant levels we talked about yesterday are still in play. But if you get above 187, we'll be watching for 190. And then above that, the other significant level at 192.50. Switch over to the daily chart. You can also just see while I'm on the 4 hour chart, you can see stair stepping higher, RSI. So we are getting a series of divergences, but this cannot get any strength. It is very weak. Everything's met by selling on any rally. That's how weak it is. So keep that in mind if you're bullish. Daily, why I didn't start here? We're virtually at a doji, open and close. Close was just slightly higher, so you can see here. It's sort of hard to see with my other lines, but that is nearly a doji right there. The key level, I updated the retracements to the low today. Still going to keep the projections from this bar right here back from the 29th for the projections lower. But right now, the key 12.5% retracement, that's where the daily rotation zone coming in. So that is reinforcing that that's about 193.38. That's going to keep converging with that 192.50. So it really anywhere 192.50 to about 193.50 is going to be your major area of resistance for starting next week. And then the level above that, 202.66. And we still have this gap fill. I mean, this can't get any rally on, but I'm still going to list the levels in case somehow, I mean, they have to report deliveries, or they're going to report May deliveries early next week. If they beat people's expectations, you could get a rally out of it. Now, remember, the rallies will still be met with selling pressure, but you could get a rally out of it. Then above that, the 212 area with the top of the daily rotation zone. So that's all the levels. The upside we'll be watching for. To the downside, still 175.88, virtually 176, 166.71, 167 we'll be watching, and then 159.50. So essentially 160. We can check in on the weekly chart since this is a weekly wrap up. You can see, all right, we're now down 4 weeks in a row. You can sort of see the waning momentum bottoming out here. So doesn't mean it has to rally. It could keep selling off, or it could just, again, move sideways. Sort of this has been moving sideways to drifting lower. Not expecting much strength out of the stock, and there's no bullish signals at all. There's these divergences we're talking about. Again, stair stepping lower even on the daily. Slightly higher RSI, but again, can't get even above the 12.5% retracement. So we have for you on Tesla again, and the charting system I'm using right now is Motive Wave. If you want more information or a free 14-day trial, click on the link in the comments section. We'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.